You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
The iPhone 12 mini nomenclature has appeared once again. The device's existence was first mentioned earlier this week, on Monday, September 21st, when well-known leaker L0 Videodream posted a tweet containing the iPhone 12 lineup's new names. Now, a fresh leak could confirm some of the names of these devices. Alleged stickers from unreleased silicone iPhone cases have appeared with some information concerning the upcoming iPhone 12 lineup. These stickers are said to come from Apple's International Distribution Center in Ireland, and they show the names of every expected iPhone 12 variant. If we start from the bottom, we find the higher-end 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max case in black, followed by the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro, the 6.1-inch variants. Finally, the 5.4-inch model, which rumors now make us believe it will be labeled as the iPhone 12 mini. The image was posted on Twitter by leaker Duinrui. His recent reputation motivates us to believe his leaks, as he also shared a photo of an iPad Air pamphlet last month, depicting an all-screen display that turned out to be authentic. The image also lets us see model numbers of the cases. And Apple hasn't used them in the past. This would be the first time Apple would use the mini moniker with its iPhone lineup, but we can't say that it comes as a shocking surprise, since we have already seen it in several Apple devices such as the iPad and MacBook, to mention a few. Now, we only have to wait for Apple's next event, which is rumored to take place on Tuesday, October 13th, to confirm the existence of the iPad 12 mini as part of the upcoming iPhone lineup. Just don't expect these new devices to include a power adapter or earpods in the box, or 120Hz refresh rate displays, but at least we may get a new, more durable braided USB-C to Lightning cable. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.